We then have the Cross-DEX proposal. So in an order book, you do have like a very decentralized state of the operation of the DEX. People are placing bids or buys, and people are placing asks or sells into the order book. And then we need to have what we call smart order routers that scan the blockchain and matches those orders together dynamically. And those smart order routers are right now planned to be decentralized so that anyone can run them, run their own matching strategies and match them together. And with this proposal, we want to extend the idea of smart order routers for other DEXes. So those bots could then scan not just orders on the Genius Yield DEX, but also orders from other DEXes and bring more liquidity across DEXes. So right now, AMM pools tend to fragment liquidity, which creates capital inefficiency and arbitrage opportunities. And so to reduce that kind of price instability and differences between DEXes, this type of cross-DEX bots, could provide increased capital efficiency, decrease volatility of prices, but also offer new arbitrage opportunities for people that want to run those bots and kind of link liquidity across DEXes. And it allows you then to do really cool things from the user perspective, where you place an order and then that order may go through multiple DEXes to give you the best price and the best liquidity for the type of trade that you want. And at the end of the day, that's really what we would want on Cardano, is kind of this idea of like a meta DEX, right? A DEX of DEXes, where all the liquidity is part of this one pool that then can be moved around and not very fragmented like what you see on EVM, where it's kind of winner takes all because it's the DEX with the most liquidity that kind of attracts the biggest trades and makes it really hard for other DEXes to compete.